Hello and welcome to Sikha Crafts. Let's learn to paint on glasses today. Subscribe to the channel Sikha Crafts and click the notification bell to all to get notified about all the videos. Here is a painter's tape which I will attach on the bottom portion of the glass because this portion is not needed to color. Similarly, for the sake of the design, stick the painter's tape on the upper portion of the glass too and fold the remaining part of the tape inside the glass. Just keep in mind to keep the lines straight. Now let's start painting the base coat with a sponge brush. It's acrylic white color. Put evenly on all the glasses. Then keep it for drying. And when dry, apply another coat. That will be the top coat. Here I have applied cerulean blue color as a top coat. This is also acrylic color. When fully dry, remove the painter's tape slowly from all the glasses. This is a flat brush number 6. Now take some white and pink acrylic color. Load the brush fully with the color and then only apply on the glass. Follow the steps carefully. First, let's make a rosebud and then some roses. Loading the brush with color is very important. Half portion should be white and the other half is pink. In this way, fill up the whole glass with roses. Start painting the leaves. For the leaves, load the flat brush number 6 with white and deep green and carry out the painting. for the fine parts, or you can apply with a brush also. When fully dry, apply a coat of acrylic spray varnish. The varnish helps to preserve the color and remove the stickiness of the acrylic color. In this way, you can color all the glasses. Hope you like this tutorial and wait for the next video of painting a kettle to match with these glasses. Until then, take care.